for NRC 2024, further highlighting his leadership and commitment to advancing the rubber sector. So please come and take us through the theme of NRC 2024. Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
Thank you very much. Good morning to everybody. Good morning. Our chief guest, Shri Darshak Shah, Managing Director of Madhusilika. Esteemed guests of honor, Shri V.K. Mishra, Technical Director of JK Tyres, and dynamic young Shri Tejveer Singh Anand, Managing Director of ALP Overseas. Distinguished speakers, delegates of NRC 24, members of the association, and all other presents on the stage, and I am seeing my old friends who had been cooperating with me for the last so many years in this industry, sitting, and I am just addressing. I have learned a lot from you, my dears. With the passage of time, the National Rubber Conference of All India Rubber Industries Association has become a prominent event within the rubber fraternity, not only in India, but also internationally. We have witnessed presenters and delegates showing immense interest in this conference. And the credit for this goes to the Indian rubber industry. On behalf of the association, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Shah for taking the time to be with us, inaugurating the conference as our chief guest and honoring the event with his presence. This year, the theme, Resilient Rubber, Navigating Challenges and Embracing Opportunities, has been thoughtfully conceived in the light of the current global scenario of the industry. There is a pressing need to accelerate growth. Over 2 days, the event will feature 6 technical sessions and panel discussion focusing on role of automobile component manufacturers, exploring both challenges and opportunities. Delegates will be benefited from the presentation by the experts of eminent speakers delivering technical papers, as well as 3 discussions on non-technical subjects relevant to the industry. The Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion of the Government of India recognizes the automobile and auto component industry as a key sector. Thus, we have ensured a panel discussion on sustainable mobility, the role of automobile component manufacturers, challenges and opportunities. I am confident that this will provide valuable insight for all attendees. The northern region of association has made a significant progress in recent years. A testament to the contribution of our past chairman, this platform is ideal to honor them. And I am pleased to announce that they, along with our generous sponsors, will be felicitated this evening before we join for cocktail gala dinner. I also wish to acknowledge the diligent efforts of members of the duly constituted committee and the Northern Region Secretariat, whose hard work has been instrumental to the success of this conference. My sincere thanks to them for their dedication and contribution. This was all what was thought of mine which precisely I have just spoken before you. But दो चीज़ें होती हैं, एक किताब होती है जिसको हम थ्योरी कहते हैं, जो हमारे बहुत एमिनेंट लोगों ने लिखी है, और उसके साथ साथ एक मन के भाव भी होते हैं। जो मन के भाव होते हैं वो स्थान को देख के कि आप कहाँ खड़े हैं, कैसे लोग आपके आसपास हैं, उससे आपके मन में आते हैं। तो मैं वो जो थॉट प्रोसेस है जो ध्यान में आया, मैं आपको बिना बताए नहीं समझता कि मैं कुछ आपको नहीं कह पाया, वो मैं मन में नहीं रखना चाहता। 2014 में हम एक गुजरात से एक व्यक्ति लेके आए जिसने देश को बहुत बड़ी तरक्की दी, और जिसके लिए आप सब लोग जानते हैं और आगे भी तरक्की हो रही है, जिसका विज़न जो है वो देखिए 2047 तक है। और आज नॉर्दर्न इंडिया गुजरात से दर्शक शाह को यहाँ लेके आया है। जो 3000 टन से 3 लाख टन पे पहुँच गए, और उसका अंत नहीं है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। ये क्या विजन है? जिसके पास टेक्नोलॉजी, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगा, थोड़ा सा कहूँगा, जिसकी टेक्नोलॉजी खुद की अपनी है, उसने दूसरों की तरफ नहीं देखा। उसने सच्ची में एक अच्छे सेंस में हिंदुस्तान को अपने सिलिका प्रोडक्ट में आत्मनिर्भर बनाया है। और दूसरी तरफ देखिए, जो दोनों गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर हैं, ये बड़ा सौभाग्य की बात है कि पता नहीं ईश्वर ने कैसा मेल मिला दिया। हमारे वी के मिश्रा साहब हैं, जो टेक्निकल डायरेक्टर हैं, टायर इंडस्ट्री में विश्व ख्याति प्राप्त है, विश्व ख्याति प्राप्त हैं। और टेक्नोलॉजी के अंदर टायर्स में कोई विदेश की कंपनी होगी जो इनके नज़दीक आती होगी, और आगे ये बढ़ रहे हैं। मैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। और तीसरा, जिसको मैंने कहा कि यंग और डायनेमिक है, मैं इनके पिताजी को भी रिक्वेस्ट करके इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेके आया था, श्री इकबाल सिंह आनंद। मैं इस परिवार को बहुत पुराना जानता हूँ, और ये जो बच्चा है, इसने सीखा तो है कि ये काम है, लेकिन परिवार से हटके किसी की मदद ना लेके खुद ब खुद अपने व्यापार को इतना ऊंचाइयों पे लेके गए हैं। मैं ऐसे बच्चे के ऊपर बहुत गर्व करता हूँ। और ये तीनों लोग जो बैठे हैं, जैसे आप क्रिकेट में देखते हैं ना कि वो दिखाते हैं कि विराट ने कहाँ कहाँ छक्का मारा, ऐसे करके ग्राफ दिखाते हैं, ये तीनों के लिए लागू होता है। ये यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में रह के पूरे विश्व में इनकी शाखाएं हैं, चाहे मधुसिलिका है, चाहे ALP ओवरसीज है, जय डी के टायर है। तो मैं इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ, जय भारत, विकसित भारत है।
Thank you so much, sir, for such motivational words. Now, before I invite Shri Shashi Kumar Singh, President IRIA, to the podium, I would like to speak a few words about him. Shri Shashi Singh is a commerce graduate and technocrat with far-fetched experience of over a span of 20 years in the rubber industry. He is director, Osaka Rubber Private Limited, and also director at various industries, namely cement and construction-based companies like Masses Chunarchak Cement Limited, High Span Developers Private Limited, and Shri Salasar Developers Private Limited. Shri Singh is currently the president of IRIA and has served various committees of IRIA. With a proven track record in the rubber industry, he has vast experience in project execution, equipment selection, and modernization. With technical competence in process and compounding and expertise in production and procurement functions, he has developed many sealants compound as import substitute. Let's welcome Shri Shashi Singh with a big round of applause.
Thank you for such brief introduction. Good morning, everyone. Start with Mukesh Kakkarji, Chairman. He said we want to be developed self-Atmanirbhar on rubber industries. So I will tell you 2 points. One is that we are in import, we are user, we are the number 2 in the world, and production, we are number 5th in the world. Namaste and good morning. I welcome our chief guest, Sri Darshak Saji, guest of honor, Sri Tejbir Singh Anandji, guest of honor, V.K. Misraji, and respected friends, colleagues on the dais and off the dais. This year, National Rubber Conference themes, Resilience, Rubber, Navigating Challenge, Embracing Opportunity, is dedicated to discussing the latest trend and advancement in rubber industries. As we gather here, today we have a unique opportunity to share knowledge, collaborate, and explore new ideas that will help to shape the future of our industries. As we all know, rubber is an essential component of many products that we use every day, from car tires to medical equipment and footwear. My friends from footwear industry is also here. It's used in a wide range of applications. However, the industries face several challenges, including increasing competitions, sustainability issue, and need for the environment-friendly innovations. In this conference, we will discussing these challenges and exploring ways to overcome them. We will learning about new technology, sustainable practice, and innovative solutions that will help us to stay ahead of ever-changing market. I believe that conference is not just a platform for exchanging idea, but also opportunity to build relationship and partnership that will benefit our industries in a long run. By working together and shaping our knowledge, we can create sustainable and prosperous future for the rubber industries. In closing, I would like to thank the organizers of this conference for bringing us all together, and I hope we can all make the most of this opportunity to learn, network, collaborate. I wish you all a productive and engaging conference. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to introduce our guest of honor, Shri Tejbir Singh Anand. Shri Tejbir Singh Anand is the Managing Director of ALP Group, overseeing its diverse portfolio including ALP Overseas Private Limited and ALP Aeroflex Private Limited based in Gurgaon. With a tenure that began in January 2003, he has been instrumental in steering ALP Overseas Private Limited towards international prominence. His leadership has propelled the company into strategic joint ventures across the USA, Spain, Australia, Singapore, and South Africa, solidifying ALP's position as a leader in automotive replacement glass solutions globally. Under his stewardship, ALP Overseas has significantly expanded its domestic operations and made substantial inroads into international markets through strategic acquisitions of manufacturing facilities abroad. Over the past 3 years, Shri Tejbir has spearheaded multiple joint ventures aimed at positioning the ALP Group as a formidable global entity. Shri Tejbir's visionary approach extends beyond operations as he has conceptualized and implemented effective marketing strategies tailored to global customers, effectively penetrating European and American markets. His initiatives have not only elevated ALP as a recognized global brand, but also paved the way for extensive growth opportunities for the group. In summary, Shri Tejbir Singh Anand's tenure as Managing Director at ALP Group has been characterized by transformative leadership, strategic expansion into international markets, and a relentless drive towards establishing ALP as a leading player in the automotive industry worldwide. So may I request you to please come and say a few words.
First of all, I was not prepared for any speech, so it's just off the hand. But a special vote of thanks to all the National Rubber Association team for giving us this honor to come on this dais and speak to all of you. And good morning and welcome all of you for this event. Well, for us, for me, ALP, we are second generation in the family business. Obviously, like most of us, our parents were migrated under difficult circumstances during the partition, and we were very fortunate, and I want to share with everybody that whatever this family today stands is the hard work and dedication of the first generation, which gave us a platform to work. And I think creating a platform is the most difficult job because generations pass by to create a platform. And I appreciate and respect what the earlier generation has done for us. Moving forward, as you know, ALP primarily we are in the business of engineered plastics and rubber, primarily for auto application. And post my joining the business in 2003, we've diversified into non-auto application because we feel that there is market everywhere. Wherever you need to seal, you need a seal, it's a rubber. So today, in the last 15 years, from 100% auto application, today we are at 45%. So 55% of our product now goes into non-auto application. And with this, we are dealing with many products, many varieties of rubber. And in fact, we've just established last year a total green facility just outside of Bawal. It's one of its kind in rubber industry where we do not produce any scrap. Whatever rubber and plastic we are using for our core product, we are recycling it and reusing into byproducts. Not only that, we also buy close to 300 tons a month of scrap tire from outside and convert into byproducts. So we are very proud to say that we are far ahead in the rubber industry for sustainability. And I think that's one of the key motive also for today. So with this activity, we've also been able to expand globally. Today, I'm proud to say ALP Group is present in every continent of the world. And this not only gives us a presence, but also gives us the access as to what is happening in every market, what competitors are doing, what technology is doing, which, as sitting from India, is difficult to know. So this is what been my journey, and I am spearheading especially the overseas business. And I'm really honored to be here amongst you and talking on this dais. So thank you, Mr. Sareen, for giving me the opportunity, and have a good convention. Thank you.